Good evening. It is nighttime. It is beautiful out. Finally, it's not nasty and windy and snowy, and that's what we're gonna talk about. How this last weekend was super crazy and how we were shut down. And so for this 2-Minute Tuesday, we're gonna talk about conditions and kind of how we're doing now and what's kind of coming up again. Here we go. So we're on the lift, and we're gonna talk to our buddy here. Tell those people your name.
What's up, Mason?
Mason. He is one of our instructors out here, so if you ever need a good lesson, hit Mason up. So it was like blizzard apocalypse down here this last weekend. First of all, we'll talk about how the snow is. How's the snow right now out here?
It's not bad. It's a little flat light, but Sioux Falls powder is holding up, so that's good.
There you go. And even I would like stayed home. What did you do while the city was shut down? Hopefully you didn't get like locked in anywhere.
I laid in bed, drank some hot cocoa, played some video games.
There you go, kept it chill. Nice. Did you do homework? No? Did you have homework? No. Well, that's good. Alright, on next. Alright, so we're back. Got a Green Bay fan. Brendan will be stoked about that. So it was really gross this last weekend with the snow, right?
Yeah, it's kind of.
So first we'll talk about how is the snow now? How's it riding?
It's powder. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
How long you guys been snowboarding?
2 years. 3.
2 years? Awesome. You guys here with Brandon?
Yeah.
Awesome. Brandon is one of our programs that we do that come out and they get to ski and all that stuff. It's really sweet. So, since like everything was shut down, what did you guys do while like the city was shut down because of the snow?
I stayed inside and slept. Oh, basically I built ramps in my front yard and I down on it.
Nice. That's awesome. Sleeping is also good. I did a lot of that as well.
Yeah.
And just for the people's, buddy, what's your name? Green Bay.
Bryce.
Bryce, and what's your name?
Cal.
Awesome. Well, thanks, guys. We're glad to be open again. It was brutal. It was not fun for us either to be closed, but we do it for your safety. We don't want anybody to get hurt, stuck, frostbite. So that's why we do it. But the snow right now is fantastic. You come out and shred tomorrow. It's gonna be 38 degrees. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. That's all I got. We'll see you next time.